The current land of Israel was predominantly a Jewish-dominated area until 3rd century. Christians dominated here after 3rd century. From 7th to 19th century, this area was occupied by Muslim rulers. In the late 19th century, Great Britain occupied this territory. During early 20th century, movement for independent Jewish territory started gaining momentum. Soon this movement reached the entire Europe and United States. Pro-Israel activities wanted to create an independent state in Palestine. Interestingly, Palestine had less than 5% Jewish people during that time. The movement started getting violent. In fact, there have been reports that pro-Israel activities took help of terrorism to flush out resistance from Palestinians and Britain. In 1947, Great Britain gave up their control of Palestine and took this matter to the newly formed United Nations. UN made a committee to study this conflict. Soon after, the committee came up with a suggestion to divide the land between Jewish and Arabs, while the holy city of Jerusalem would be independent under supervision of UN. Arabs were not in favor of this resolution, as they thought the land belonged to them and warned of serious repercussion if the resolution was passed. After a lot of discussion and debates, UN passed the resolution. This outraged the Arabs, and soon the Arab-Israeli war broke out. By the time war ended, Jews not only occupied the land allocated to them by UN, but also occupied 60% of the land allocated to Arabs. They declared this new territory as an independent state of Israel. Hundreds and thousands of Arabs fled from their homes, which now belonged to Jews. They termed this event as Al-Nakba, which means disaster. Palestine and Israel have been fighting for the land ever since then. After the war, Israel signed pacts with Egypt, Syria, Lebanon and Jordan in order to stabilize the situation. All of these nations had previously supported Palestine against war with Israel. Hence, these pacts isolated Palestinians. Moreover, other Arab nations refused to take the Palestinians refugees in their country, which further deteriorated their position. The conflict has only intensified over a period of time, where they accuse each other of initiating an attack on the civilians. Lot of extreme groups also emerged during this phase in Palestine, such as Hamas, which have been reportedly launching rockets against Israeli civilians across Gaza border. There have been reports of human rights violation and use of chemical weapons. As many as 25,000 people have died in this conflict, making it one of the longest and bloodiest conflicts. Almost 70 years later, Israel has grown into one of the global superpowers, while Palestine is still struggling to get recognized as an independent state by UN. This story may be a sign of victory or misery, depending on which side do you support. Do let us know what you think about this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such amazing stories.